Welcome to my channel. Learning is never ending. Everything about kindergarten. Hello and welcome my little learners. In today's video, we are going to looking at the diagraph O. Say it. O. Using O and A. Phonetically O and A. When they come together, makes the sound O. Let us start and learn word family with the O word. But before starting, please make sure to repeat along with me. Okay? Let us start. K O T Coat. Repeat. K O T Coat. Good job. Let us see the next word. G O T Goat. Repeat. G O T Goat. That's great. T O S T Toast. Repeat one more time. O S T Toast. R O D Road. Repeat with me. R O D Road. That's great. S O P Soap. S O P Soap. Let's see the another one. This is little tricky one. It has two diagraphs. One is T and another one is O. So let's say T, R, O, T, throat. One more time. T, R, O, T, throat. Can you say it? Let us check out another one. B O T Boat. Repeat. B O T Boat. That's good. Let us see the another one. F O T Float. Repeat it with me. F O T Float. Good job. So those were our sound words. Can you think of any others? Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more kids related video. That's all for today. Bye bye.